In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your privacy settings on any video on your TikTok profile. So first of all, what you'll need to do is open up your TikTok app. Once you open up this, you will now need to head over to your profile, and then you will need to select the video that you want to change your privacy settings on. So for example here, I have only got one video on my profile, and if I want to change the privacy settings on this, what I would do is select it, and then you will need to click the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on the three dots, as you can see on the bottom bar, there is a lot of different options. If you scroll over to the right, as you can see, you will finally see an option for privacy settings. Click on the privacy settings tab, and now you will be able to toggle off allow comments, allow duet, allow stitches, etc. And you can also click on and change who can view the TikTok. So everyone, friends, or only me. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and change the privacy settings on a specific video, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.